son's really dying, isn't he?
Yeah.
And the astronauts die in space.
If you don't go, you die anyway.
Yeah, but I die in 30 years with
The rest of us.
Can't do it.
You'll find a solution.
You are my solution.
Don't do it! Don't do it!
You're gonna do great.
I met an alien, and we're learning to communicate. Thumbs up. You got stars to sing, okay?
Rocky watched crew die. Could not fix. Grace say Grace will die. Rocky fix.
There's a leak. Rocky's ship is built of xenonite. The Amoeba can get through it. His life support systems will fail. And if that doesn't kill him, the radiation sickness will. I can't do both. I can go home, or I can save Rocky.
Ground control to Major Tom, your circuit's dead. There's something wrong. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you?
I'm here, buddy.